Let's build a clean and interactive toggle component using only CSS. First, create the HTML file and open it in the editor. We start with a basic HTML structure and a title. Link the external style sheet. Add a main heading for our demo page. Now add the main toggle component structure. We create a label tag that wraps the entire component. The core is a hidden checkbox input for state management. Add a span for the track or background of the switch. Inside the track, add another span for the moving thumb. Finally, add a text label for this toggle. Add a second toggle for push notifications. Now add a disable toggle to show that state. Add a toggle without a visible text label as a compact option. Now let's create the main CSS file for our component. Set a dark background color for our page. Define the root variables for our toggle component. Set the base width and height for the switch track. Define padding inside the track. Calculate the thumb size based on height and padding. Set our primary accent color for the on state. Define the background colors for off and on states. Use flexbox to align the switch and label. Add space between the switch and its text. Now hide the native checkbox input while keeping it accessible. Style the visual track that acts as the switch background. Use the off-state color variable for the background. Make it fully rounded by using half its height. Add a smooth transition for background color changes. Give it a subtle inset shadow for depth. Style the circular thumb that moves inside the track. Animate its horizontal movement. Change the track color when the checkbox is checked. Move the thumb to the right side in the check state. Calculate the translation distance using our variables. Add a focus indicator for our keyboard navigation. Use a bright outline color for good visibility. Style the disabled state for both the track and thumb. Also, dim the text label when the toggle is disabled. Finally, style the text label for good readability. Let's check our project structure to ensure both files are present. Perfect. Now open the browser to see our toggle component in action. Click the first two switches to see the smooth transition. Press the Tab key on your keyboard to see the focus outline appear. Try clicking the disabled switch to see that it does not respond. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our website. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the first link in the description.